Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to see how to get started with Angular. So first of all, हमको चाहिए Node.js install. So to check if Node.js install or not, I will run node-v. So as you can see, Node.js is installed here. If you don't have Node.js, you can always go to nodejs.org and install it from there. तो अपने पास Node.js ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम अब इंस्टॉल करेंगे Angular CLI. So to install Angular CLI, we can run npm r-g @angular/cli. And now we can check if Angular CLI is installed or not. So to check this, we can run ngv to check the version of our Angular. So as you can see, Angular CLI 16.0.3 is installed. So guys, आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगली वीडियो में हम देखेंगे how to use Angular CLI to get started with the Angular project and how to create a project from scratch.